Thank you, Rahul, for joining us today. And it's a real honor to have you on Desi Martini. I'm Arunita, the editor for the website. And congratulations on Poison 2. So, if you don't mind, I'd just like to ask you a few questions about the show first.
So please go on. And thanks for having
So,
me.
first of all, tell me something about Poison 2. It's a new season. So, it's from what I understand, it's no way attached to the previous season or what we saw in the previous season. All new characters are fresh. So, I mean, like, tell me something about the show and your character in it. I've seen the trailer, it's really thrilling. And maybe more on your character.
Okay, so the character's name is Sikandar,
Yeah.
and it's a very brief appearance. So it's not like a full-fledged role. It's not like a lengthy role. And within the brief appearance, it's a very critical appearance,
Yeah.
and it is a critical part of how the narrative will go. It's sort of there's a twist in the narrative at some point, and the twist in the narrative will be Sikandar will be extremely critical to that twist. Let me put it this way. I can't go on more because then it sort of gives away what Sikandar is going to do.
So, what I've seen in the trailer, you're seen in a uniform a little bit. So, I mean, are you playing a policeman or can't you give away even those small details like for right now?
That I think the audiences, if they watch it, will be better.
Yeah.
Whether I'm a convict
Yeah.
or a cop or what am I, would be more interesting. I mean, I think that's the reason why they've cut that kind of a trailer, man.
Definitely, because it's a thriller, so you definitely can't say which way it will go. And given that it's a revenge
Yeah.
drama, I mean, it's really exciting to see.
Yeah.
Another thing is that you are, reuniting with Aftab after a few projects like that you've done together in the
Oh,
past.
yeah.
So, what was this reunion like?
Oh, it was really warm and well. I mean, it's a life-changing experience for him, especially.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not talking. I go beyond Poison 2 because he was just like a married man prior to that. Now he's a father.
Yes,
You know what
he
I mean?
definitely is.
So fatherhood
Yes,
happened during Poison. So I think it'll be a very, very memorable sort of OTT first for him. I think it'll be unforgettable. I mean, you get a gift of a baby girl during a first OTT
definitely.
release. I mean, I think there's some sort of indication from up there.
Definitely. And I really hope that, his daughter's birth gives him all the luck for the series and you
Oh, yeah.
guys as well. And so talking about you and Aftab, you guys have given one very memorable film together called Avara Pagal Divana, which I
Did
know
too, please.
personally.
I got an award for even Footpath. Yeah.
Oh,
So
definitely Footpath, yes. I mean, talking specifically because I know personally a lot of people who are crazy fans of the comedy that is Avara Pagal Divana. I really
that's fine.
personally had a question for you. Like, you played the villain in that movie, and you had to keep a straight face in that movie for so many comic scenes that were happening around you. First of all, how do you do it? I mean, how do you maintain a straight face for, there's so much craziness unfolding in a movie like that. So,
Yeah.
how does it happen?
Yeah, geniuses of I mean, imagine Johnny Bhai and Parish Bhai performing in front of you, Asrani ji joining them, and you're looking at them. बहुत बार मन करता था कि जोर के हंसूं, but then I figured out, it's only my second film. I better not take that risk. बहुत पिटाई होने वाली है. So it was just that I was too
But
scared to laugh. So that I don't know where
so
the third job could have
you were
come
too
from.
scared to laugh.
Yeah, because it's just beginning of my career. It's my second or the third film I'm shooting for. I think that and Ashik I was shooting for simultaneously. I had one release behind me for which I got a lot of success and a lot of
Yeah.
adulation for Champion. And the
Yes.
first one didn't take off because the late
Champion.
Mukulanand a big break. No, the first one was actually Thus.
Thus. Yeah.
Because my director, unfortunately, the big Mukulanand, he expired. He had a heart attack. So they couldn't complete the film. We had shot 40 days for it. So there was a fair amount of pressure, and in those days there was a lot of pressure on models in any case because they would say these guys can't act, they are wooden, flana, dhimka, this, that. Now we are 20 years later and only 112 films later, so we figured out that you didn't do too bad. Yeah.
So now do you take the liberty of laughing when you're in
Of
such a
course,
character and there's something
of
happening?
course. That much I should be given.
Because
At least one
definitely,
take
I
I have
mean,
to be
you should
given.
have been given that much there also, given the kind of
No, there
movie
I'll
it
tell you
is.
the other changes. I'll observe the other changes.
Yeah,
That time was the era of the negative. It was
yeah,
shot on rolls, film rolls.
yeah,
So when they said action, na, you could hear the camera going and that itself would sort
yeah,
of have, you would have butterflies in the tummy because 2, 3 rehearsals have happened. Now this is the moment. Are you
yeah.
getting
This
it?
has to be
And comedy is
perfection.
such a strange, it's so difficult comedy because it's so easy for you to laugh at what somebody like these geniuses, kind of geniuses are doing. But for them to get that magic moment and for the director to say, okay, for that particular magical moment that they've created. Imagine if
Yeah,
somebody laughs at it, कितनी गाली पड़ेगी यार सबसे
no,
मारेंगे पकड़ के
definitely.
तुम्हें
रोल नहीं वेस्ट कर
तो अभी
सकते.
क्या
I
हो गया
mean,
कि अब नेगेटिव है नहीं you can't hear only what the camera goes on you can't hear anything so एक तो प्रेशर
yeah,
वैसे चले गया the only pressure is to memorize your lines or if you want to improvise something instinctively something comes to you or you've thought of something and come so so it's become a lot easier and you can a lot of people have stopped rehearsals also too much because it's nobody loses any money because that time film when you expose each take that you expose costs money. Are you getting it? So it's adding
definitely,
to the cost of the producer. So there was a lot of.
definitely.
I've seen both the eras well enough, and I much prefer this. No sound.
Rightfully so. Rightfully so. And talking about your negative roles, like there have been many throughout your career, and you have gone forward and done projects across genres, across platforms, across languages. First of all, how do you manage it? All of it so beautifully, like be it South Indian movies or you've taken the liberty of doing television and you've been so prominent in films. So I mean, how in a span of 20 years have you managed, putting together such a beautiful filmography, if I might say?
See, I think that happened because I think I was lucky enough to have a mentor in Mukul Anand. I was
Yeah,
a boy from Delhi. I've not gone to NSD or any drama school or anything to prepare as an actor per se.
yeah,
Like we were the first supermodels that time. People used to look upon us as, okay, yaar, ye runway pe aayega to maza aayega, that kind of thing. You were on the billboards for ads that you were part of. So it was more that kind of a story. And then eventually you get tired of it, right? You So while I was getting still bored of it, I had some 6, 7 years in it. I got this opportunity where his baritone on the other side, and he says, "Rahul, ऐसा बना रहा हूँ यार, तू आजा, सुनाता हूँ तुझे." And so I went across, I flew across, and eventually I thought the first call is for an ad because MAD's company, MAD Films, made a lot of ad films also.
prominently at.
And MAD stands for Mukul Anand Directs actually, MAD.
Yeah,
So the so he narrated the whole thing to me, and the only thing that time the apprehension was यार villain है तो, but he said यार ऐसा कैसे करूँगा वो गब्बर सिंह भी लोग भूल जाएंगे, that kind of thing. So I thought, see, right now I'm little getting bored of this walking up and down and looking good. So this could be a challenging change in life. So let's prepare
definitely.
for this. So in that, I think the preparation and the tools of preparation he gave me, like diction with Asrani ji, expression with Pintal Saab. These are legendary teachers at NSD. And of
Yeah.
course, Kishore Namit Kapoor, the academy there, and is learning from other kids there, like 22 of us, 24 of us, all wanting to be actors, aspirational.
So, in contrast to that, looking at the web space, we see you experimenting a lot with roles, like there's a series like Who's Your Daddy, and there's something like a Poison 2, and you're definitely experimenting. I'm forgetting the name of that movie with Amit Saad that released in
Yeah, it was
February.
Operation Parinde.
Yeah. So, I mean, that was an entirely different look. So, do you feel that you're getting more opportunities to experiment as an actor in OTT?
See, I think it's not only me. Or the audiences have changed. One.
Yeah,
Two, what does OTT need? I mean, look at it. it needs some good acting, right? It needs skills, na? If they're
Yeah.
going to hire an actor, they want skillful actors.
Yeah.
So the writing is more natural today. You know, the writing is the writing. See, eventually you are enacting lines and a situation. So the lines are a little more natural today. The lines are flowing
Yeah.
much more natural than they did early on. Like in the,
Yeah.
say, if I was looking at 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5, of course, there was some cinema with very natural lines, but that was termed as art cinema, art house. It won't
Yeah.
reach audiences in a large way. It would reach
Yeah.
festivals, it will get awards, it will get recognition, but it won't really reach audiences on a large, like, say, a Shah Rukh Khan film or a Sunny Deol film or a Akshay Kumar film or a Salman Khan film. Like, you know, like the big actors at that time or a Sanjay Dutt film, it wouldn't reach out to larger audiences. It would be restrictive. And I tried a few of those. I tried Kyun with Kalpana Lajmi ji. She had made Rudali with Dimple ji and a National Award winner.
Yeah.
I tried at that point 88 Antop Hill with Kushan Nandi, who was Pritish's son. A very nice thriller it was, where he gave me a protagonist role. Both roles are protagonist roles, but both the films didn't work. You know, because those films are very natural in their scope of work. And I feel that today, if they were to be here,
Yeah.
I mean, either they can be easily released on OTT or they can even be released on the theaters, because now the multiplex, the audiences have changed a lot. I mean, they're more receptive to a Vicky Dono, for example. I mean, who could have imagined a sperm donning film, say, in 2001 or 2? It might have not worked. Are you getting it? So the actors have become more natural, everything. The directors writing that kind of content or filming that kind of content. So I think the era, let me put it this way, instead of just saying OTT, the era now, like whether it's cinema or whether it's OTT, it's more natural. So it's giving me the opportunity to go from there to there. The era is giving me, like, this time is giving me this time. And of course, OTT goes a step further, because वो censor की एक liberty है इनको थोड़ा. They can see when you show like a girl and boy in love, एक चीज है sensationalizing it, एक चीज है कि, so I'm not saying in that way. I'm saying, what if, you know, like, imagine a innocent first kiss between two lovers, innocent first kiss. I'm not saying sensationalize it to make it look voluptuous. I'm not saying that. I'm saying lovers में होता है ना वो, होता है ना first kiss. Everyone remembers the first kiss in life. If they're saying they don't, then they're lying only. Then they're lying. They're not being organic. They're being untruthful. You know, obviously they're being untruthful. So I'm saying, if it is in that organic scope of things and somebody has to observe it and film it, now the censors on OTT allow it. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So there will be a lot of trash as a byproduct. There will be trash. There will be things which are sexually based and wanting to entice audiences ki wo us type ka dekho. But there will be also a lot of, like, a 92 scam. What an Harshad ji ka. So that's right now.
Harshad Mehta.
So stories like that are being told, which gives a lot of scope for, I think, not only me, it gives scope to actors. I mean, you see a lot of brand new talent, and which is really brilliant, and it's great to work with them.
Definitely. And, speaking of OTT platforms, right now, everything that we know of as entertainment is right now, at least during the lockdown, is on OTT. So there's a certain turbulence in the entertainment system. You know, it's been disrupted a little in 2020. And, there's a lot of talk about, now cinemas are reopening on October 15, but that aside, there's a lot of turbulence otherwise, like people demanding structural changes and a lot of things, and a lot of social media flack about Bollywood by and large, and actors. So in such a time, what do you think? Do you think there is a need in the way that the entertainment industry is? Does it need a change? And if it does need changing, to need, like, OTT is one way, like right now that is one way we adapted, right? So according to the turbulence, do you feel in the system or a hierarchy of things, there's a need for change, and what is that change that the entertainment industry needs to bring about? Maybe a positive change that you can think of.
See, I feel, I mean, if I more generalize that question and look at a larger perspective, let's look at life.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's look at life, which is much, much larger than the entertainment business.
Definitely.
You know, so you're in a journalistic space of things. I'm in the entertainment business, but within the journalistic space of things, you must be covering stories of all kinds, maybe entertainment only. I don't know. What is the scope? But I'm saying whatever your scope is, that is your scope. Now, there's a person there attending to COVID people in the hospital. There's a person there, which is the PR company, which has made this liaison possible. There's a person who's the platform for the content which is coming. There's a person who's going to the bank every day. There have been cops who've been going to work every day, and so on and so forth. But let's look at life, which each of those people, in whichever roles they are in, they're playing. So I don't know whether you're a wife or you're a single person, whether you're a mother yet or you're still a single person. I don't know that. But suppose my other scope of work is I'm also a father. Which is a much larger scope than say only entertainment, isn't it? So when I look at life and you say everybody's life, you'll see they'll be like this. If somebody says that my life has been a constant, they're lying.
Definitely.
So it's like this and that. So right now entertainment is going through this and that. This has been the COVID and the other things unnecessary. And that has been the OTT. You know, a platform where you can actually release your creativity. For a producer, imagine if that kind of money is getting stuck. At least there's a scope where he can still release that.
Right.
Are you getting it? His whole thing is being bought off by a platform, whichever the platform is in. Whether it's Z, whether it's Netflix, whether it's Amazon, whether it's Alt, or the others in the business, whoever is buying it, it's relieving, isn't it? You know, so
yes, it is definitely.
आप लेके चल रहे थे कि यार इतना बोझ है हमारे पे फाइनेंशियली, वो भार किसी ने आपको उतार दिया.
Right.
Why, you know, Friday you're looking forward to a Friday, यार चल जाए picture इस बेचारे की, because the producers tend to lose the money, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
So you would want every film to work, but every film doesn't work. So I'm saying if I look at life, it finds its own level. You know, it'll find its own level. You know, eventually. Like suppose I lose a partner, I lost my partner. There was a dip. I didn't know how was the scope of parenting. I didn't know because I was always away just shooting because that was my work. You know, I was spending. So the roles were a little divided. But now suddenly the other person is not there. I don't even know how to really parent. You know, I don't know what the syllabus that he's in. Kya hota hai school ka ek structure. I'm there for the parent-teacher meetings. But in depth, I'm saying in depth, like really in depth. But now I can definitely say right from that journey to sending him to London to educate himself in college, I know that journey very, very well. I can even counsel another parent. Because, you know, I've done that. I've actually done it. And I took time off from the movies. But eventually, okay, Big Boss re-enter and the journey again back to entertainment. So that's life. है ना? So वही इसका होने वाला entertainment का. ऐसा वैसा है. क्या नतीजा निकलेगा भी पता लग जाएगा थोड़ी देर में. Are you getting it? Na?
Right.
See, everybody needs the entertainment. You are acknowledging yourself that during the lockdown, a lot of people saw OTT. Why were they seeing it? Because one, you're not allowed to go out. It's not safe. And so, abhi ghar mein bhi kaam kar rahe hain log. Like I learned few things at home. Now I can make, for example, a few things at home, which I never thought I would dreamt of that I could do. You know, so some house chores I can participate in. So if the house help is not there anymore, is not so dreadful anymore. Which used to be, oh God, that guy is going to leave. Now what's going to happen? The earth's going to fall on the sky is going to fall on the earth. वो अब नहीं है डर.
Because everybody is adapting.
Not everybody. So I'm saying everybody ने किया है कि नहीं मुझे पता नहीं. मैंने किया. So it was a big phobia on my head कि यार अगर suppose तो क्या करूँगा मैं? वो हट गया. So likewise in entertainment too, coming back to your question and the connecting link, when you look at a larger scope of things, which is much, much larger than anything else, I'm talking about जिंदगी, है ना?
Right.
उसी तरह ये एक जिंदगी का एक हिस्सा है एंटरटेनमेंट. मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही क्रिटिकल है क्योंकि यार मैं उससे जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, वही मेरा प्रोफेशन.
Right.
But frankly, I've been working from 24th of June. You'll find it illogical. I went to Punjab, I shot 11 days. Then I went on the Poison set to complete it. Then I shot on Mughals. Then I've shot a film and completed Raat Baki Hai. I've come back again, I'm shooting with Mughals. So it's a pretty busy life I've had.
Wow.
And yesterday and today I've been promoting and then hearing new scripts.
So, I mean, that was my last question. I think we are a little out of time, if I'm saying. I would love to chat more. But thank you so much for spending these few minutes with us. And it was lovely chatting with you. There's a lot to learn from you. And I hope, I get an opportunity to talk to you again sometime. So thank you for taking out the time and all the best for your projects.
Thanks very much. Thanks.